Mistplay accounts are tied directly to the email or login method you used when you created them, and changing that can be harder than most users expect. By the end of this, you'll know whether you can change your email, what Mistplay allows, and the fastest way to fix it. Here's the direct answer. Mistplay does not give you a simple change email button inside the app. That means if you signed up with the wrong email, or you no longer have access to it, you usually need to go through support. First, check how you originally signed up. Open Mistplay and go to your profile settings. If your account is linked through Google or Facebook, your Mistplay login depends on that account. That means changing your email inside Google or Facebook may affect your login access there, but not always inside Mistplay itself. If you signed up directly with email, the fix is more specific. Go to the sign-in page and test the Forgot Password option on the email you think you used. This confirms whether that email is actually attached to your account. If it is the wrong email and you still have access to your account, contact Mistplay support before making a new account. This matters because creating a second account can cause reward tracking problems or account restrictions. Inside the app, go to Profile, then Support, and explain the issue clearly. Include your current account email, the correct email you want to use, and screenshots if needed. That gives support enough information to verify ownership. If you completely lost access to the wrong email and can't log in, use Mistplay support form from their help center. Account recovery usually depends on proving account ownership through gameplay history, rewards, or device information. One thing you should not do is uninstall the app and start over immediately. Your rewards, points, and game history are tied to the original account, not the app itself. Deleting the app won't change the email attached to it. So the key points are simple. Mistplay doesn't let you change email directly, your login method matters, and support is usually the only real fix. Start by checking your original sign-in method first. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.